Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Fujitsu LifeBook. Let's dive in. Remove the old battery. Replace it with the Cameron Sino CSFU E551NB battery. That's all for our tutorial. Thank you for watching.